Hey guys, it is Flashbang Films. Also, I go by Swayze Gang on YouTube now. But I think I'll combine the two maybe. But this video is gonna be me eating a bundle box. I mean, I already had a cheeseburger out of it and a couple fries. And I did drink some of my drink already though. I only got like this much of my drink left. But we're also gonna eat a Big Mac and some chicken nuggets as well. And we're gonna time myself as well. I mean, I'm not gonna time myself, but I eat fast sometimes, so you know. So we're just gonna go ahead and go into the eating process right now. So, as you can see, I've got a Big Mac right here. And if I can open it, oh, it's this way. All right. So, I'm gonna put this. Whatever this is here. It might be messy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it. Wow, that Big Mac sauce is really good. That's really good Big Mac sauce. What's the recipe for this? As you can tell, I can't really open my mouth wide again. Because I think there's something wrong in my mouth or something. That's why I can't really open my mouth wide anymore. I hope they added napkins into the box though. When I went to McDonald's before, last month, I had McDonald's last month. They didn't even add napkins into the meal I got last month. I think there might be something going on with the location that I usually go to. There's some lettuce in here. Alright. Let me see if they added napkins. They did not add any napkins. Well, that's okay. I got some paper towels up in my room. Man, that Big Mac is messy though. Alright, so now we got a McDonald's cheeseburger here, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this burger right now. Alright, so now we got chicken nuggets. And I think I'm gonna put my fries in here. Alright. I'm actually going to probably put them right here. I also got some barbecue sauce. If I can open it. There we go. Alright. Here's a chicken nugget. Second chicken nugget. It's good. Alright. I think this is the fourth chicken nugget, I think. Or the third. I'm gonna dip a fry in barbecue sauce. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we'll see you in another video. Peace out.